I've been in the restaurant business since I was 16 years old, started with Marie Counters as a dishwasher. It's imperative to keep the product safe for the public consumption. And this has happened in the past where we've had a refrigeration unit go down overnight and not know about it until we got there in the morning. And then if you're not walking in and checking that particular refrigeration unit, it could sit out of range for a long period of time.
We specialize in large party venues, so weddings, engagements, birthday parties, anniversaries. Our inventory tends to be in the thousands upon thousands of dollars. So refrigeration is obviously very important to make sure that we don't have any food spoilage or any kind of issues with that. Oftentimes, I would worry about, having a ton of inventory in our fridges and the refrigerator actually going out in the middle of the night and I have no clue about it. Now with the solution, I get a log of it every hour, every 15 minutes where it reads. It lets me know how the temperature is going, what kind of fluctuations I have.
We have it set up that it's recorded every 10 minutes. And then if it's out of the range that we've predetermined, I get a text and an email that gives an alert on it. So then I could look at it and see if there is a problem. The health department comes in. If you have a log that shows what the temperatures are at and you happen to be out of temperature for 10 minutes, that's okay, because your product can be out of temp not more than 4 hours. If you're out of range and they cannot determine how long the product's been out of range, they'll make you dump the product. So this can cost restaurants a lot of money.
I do not have to worry about issues happening with my fridges and not knowing about it.
I'm not here every day, every minute, but now I can get a readout every day, every 10 minutes.
It allows me to sleep much, much easier at night.
I feel so strongly about this that I think it should be mandatory for all restaurants to have this type of service. First of all, it's going to save them time. They don't have to have someone going around taking temps all the time. You're going to save money.